Okay, so this video is going to show a repair I did on a John Deere carburetor. So this carburetor is for a 2-cylinder tractor. It's a Marble Shebler DLTX 51 big nut carburetor. So this is the carburetor you would find on a John Deere G. Now this one in particular is my buddy's, and he has it on his John Deere A that he farms with. So what was wrong with it was actually the big nut on the bottom. The threads that nut goes up on, that hold the fuel bowl up on, they were stripped out. They were just from age and corrosion. At some point they just were gone, and it wasn't holding the ball on anymore. So what I did was mount it up on my Pratt & Whitney engine lathe. I mounted it onto a faceplate and got the end of it running on center, and went in and turned the remainder of the old threads off and down to a straight diameter. Then I took a bolt that is 1.25 inches, 12 I believe. If anyone would want to know those numbers for sure, I could put it in the comments, but anyway, I took that and drilled it out and bored it to a press fit to my turn diameter on the carburetor. I went with a sweat joint on it, and it's like a 5 to 6 thou press. So I took that threaded ring from the bolt and heated it up with a heat gun, and then I took the body of the carburetor and put it in the freezer. And then when I got everything ready, I brought it out and I just tapped it on with a hammer and let everything come back to temperature, which made for a real tight press fit. And that probably wouldn't be my ideal way to do it, but with the wall thickness and everything that's left, that was pretty much the best choice that I could come up with. And I've took this ball on and off a bunch of times and tightened it down real hard and just tried it to make sure that sleeve itself wouldn't pull off, and it's been staying on there steady. Probably ideally, if there was more wall thickness, I would have went in and drilled through the side and maybe pinned it or something, but with the thin wall and everything, I was a little afraid to do it that way. But this way here seems to be working good. And so you'll get to see the carburetor mounted on the engine lathe and turning the diameter. And then I didn't get any footage of making the sleeve itself, but I'll put a picture in there of it into the video. And then you'll get to see pressing it on, and then at the end I just have some pictures through the paint. So we went ahead and painted it for him just to keep it from the outside of it from rusting up. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if there's any questions or comments or anything like that, be sure to leave them down below. And then this is going to be the end of this video, so I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.